Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2102 at 4 Points by Sheraton Kuala Lumpur City Centre. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the light switch for the bathroom as well as the master light switch for the whole room, and you have the do not disturb and makeup room switches as well. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, we have a wardrobe with drawers and storage to the bottom right, and right above you have a place to hang your items on and more storage right above. Right here we have more storage. And right opposite the wardrobe, we have a bathroom, or rather the toilet. You have the mirror in the middle, together with the sink below. You have tissue, soap, towels, another mirror right there, a power outlet, storage below, the bin. The toilet is right there. You have a hook right there. And another hook right there. And further inside the room, we have the living room with an L-shaped sofa. The coffee table in the middle. A table by the side right there. A standing light. Artwork, chair, the desk area with the desk chair, and you have the bins down there. One is the regular bin and one is the recycle bin. We have hotel information right there, table light, and right here it takes a while to pop up, but we have a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB-A ports. I can't show you the view out right now because it's night time, but I'll show you a view out of the window the next morning. Here we have a sofa-like thing with a flat screen Samsung TV right above. And right there we have the pantry area with storage, drawers, or rather this is a cupboard with the fridge right inside. It is empty, so you can put your own items in. And here we have the tea and coffee making stuff, glasses and mugs, and just empty drawers right here and right here. There we have the kettle, coffee machine, power outlets. Here we have the climate control for the living room. 4 bottles of water right there. And behind this door, we have the bedroom. To the left of the door, we have the master light switch for the living room. And going inside, this is the view that you get as you enter the bedroom. We have a power outlet down there. Here we have the master light switch for the bedroom, the climate control panel for the bedroom, And we have a set of lights behind the headboard. And on both bedside tables we have lights, reading lights right there, a power outlet, couple of USB-A ports, as well as your various light switches, and we have storage beneath the bedside table. On the right bedside table, it's empty, so you can store your own items in. And right there we have a clock, TV remote, writing materials, telephone, power outlet, and basically the same set of switches as on the left bedside table with the same lights and whatnot. Again, I'll show you a view out of this window the next morning. But right there we have another standing light, side table. This is the welcome letter that I got when I checked in earlier. So this paper doesn't actually come with the room. But right there we have a sofa, flat screen Samsung TV, place to put your luggage. Here we have a fairly large bed, which does look quite comfortable. And right there we have an opaque glass looking into the shower area. And right here we have a mirror. A light right there. Here we have the main light switch for this bathroom. And right here we have the wardrobe. With storage right here and right above. And obviously the wardrobe for the bedroom comes with more items. We have bedroom slippers, bathrobes, the ironing board, an iron right there, hangers, storage above, the in-room safe, and storage right there together with the laundry bags and whatnot. Okay, going into the bathroom, we have the sink right there with towels below, a weighing scale, a bin. Better look at the sink. To the right of the sink we have soap and tissues, and to the left of the sink we have all the bathroom amenities. A couple of glasses, power outlet right there with a couple of USB-A ports, a mirror right there, lights, a huge mirror in the middle. We have a hook right there. And right there we have the toilet. And behind this door, first, let me say there's another hook right there. Okay, so behind this door, we have the shower area with dual shower setup. So we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Right there as well, we have the shampoo, conditioner and body wash, and we have the controls for the shower right here.